Today is the day. I've done it again. Sunday, Monday. Today is the day to see Don Toliver. If you weren't here last year, they fucked me over. Yeah, they fucked me over and ruined my entire experience. So we're doing it again this year. I'm just gonna make a whole day out of it. We're doing Sunday fun day too. So like when I say I'm gonna be outside all day, I'm gonna be outside all day long. Guys, this is how you know you have a problem. Sick. These are just the empties that I have like right now, currently. So don't mind the head. We'll get into that later. Whatever I film today is gonna have to be it. That one and done take, okay? Okay, y'all. So here's the inspo pic. That's what I'm going for today. I want to include like blue into my look. I'm wearing this blue, electric blue bodysuit. Shut up, bitch. Can't hear myself think. In it, in some way, shape, or form because it goes with my jacket. You'll see later. I already did skin prep, elf primer. I'll do milk on top of that. The eye cloud about to be busting after today. I can't even start getting ready because I'm just so excited. Everything needs to be nice and tacky because this is a makeup day. We're doing Sunday fun day plus the Don Toliver concert. The face has to be on. Walk with me. Yeah, that was not supposed to be that long. Let's get into the lore of this Don Toliver concert. I was supposed to go to the Lovesick tour last year, and that did not happen. All thanks to Stubhub. So basically what happened was they sold my ticket after I bought it the first time. Typically, you know, you don't get your tickets for a concert until about 72 hours beforehand. So I was like, okay, I'm looking for it. Ticket didn't come. It was gone, as in they dead ass sold my ticket to somebody else. So of course I'm like, all right, pick another one, refund another one. So they added those credits to the second ticket. Mind you, this is all the day of, and that's crooked.
It's a cute boy with the white jacket and the big accent.
Told you. They're like, oh, no worries, Miss White. We're gonna get you your ticket. Find me another ticket. And at this point, I've ordered the Uber. I'm on my way. Like, I'm going to this concert one way or another, and nobody is stopping me. I'm on my way to the concert, still waiting for my ticket, still checking in with Stubhub. I meet my friend at the restaurant we were supposed to be eating at, still waiting on my ticket as we're eating. Long story short, Stubhub ended up selling my ticket to somebody else. I was literally right outside the venue, ready to go. They sold my ticket to somebody else at the last minute, and I didn't get to go. So it's always gonna be fuck Stubhub for me. And I was already going through like a super emotional point in my life at that time. So it just quite literally didn't help or contribute to anything. But I'm going today, and that's all that matters. Moment of truth. You're fine. What? I've done it again. I even have the lash on, boo. So how y'all do y'all makeup and talk at the same time? It's just not a thing for me. I'm back on my own, little bit. Okay, guys, here is the final look. Oh, my bra. Okay, guys, here is the final look. I'm literally need to get going. I'm on my way out the door. This is just an electric blue bodysuit from Amazon. Shoes from Shein, I think. Vintage jacket. Thanks, Uncle Henry. Okay, y'all, it's time to go. I will see you for Sunday Funday. Bye, bye, bye.